Welcome back, guys. I am now finally standing and we have the last two parts for this PC build. And today's episode, we will be unboxing the monitor this time. So again, this is episode 13 of Technoventures, part 9 of the very special unboxing video series of the ROG and Gundam collaboration. Again, we have the RX 782 designed for all our keyboard components, and I'm going to clear some space up, going to put those away, and my best boy RX 782 right here. Now this isn't the free one that came with the package. This is the one that I built a year ago, 2020 or 2019. So going to pick the monitor up. This is the monitor. Let's go ahead and unbox it. Well then, inside of our box is, drum roll please, another box. Boom! Big fat boy. Our ROG Gundam Monitor. This is the ROG STRIX XG279 Gaming Monitor Gundam Edition. It's a 35-inch widescreen monitor, 68.5 centimeters, a bigger Gundam background, bigger Gundam mobile suit lettering, bigger ROG I, Republic of Gamers. That's nice. At this side, we'll have our specs. It's 95% DCI P3. It's NVIDIA G-Sync compatible. It's overclocked to 170 Hz rapid refresh rate. It has dynamic shadow boost, fast IPS, HDMI, and a 3-year warranty. And we have more tape. Take the tape out.
A few minutes later.
Let's open it up. And what's this? Oh, we have an instruction right over here how to put our monitor up and put our monitor sideways. Going to attempt to slide the monitor out. Okay, that's a smooth sliding. Here we have our papers. This is our ASUS VIP member notice again. Here we have a quick start guide how to set up our monitor. Here we have color calibration testing report. Going to put this back again and continue with unboxing our monitor. Here we go. Here we have our HDMI cable, another HDMI cable, two of them, and another cord. This one is for, I don't know this one, but we have 3 cables from our monitor. Let's put this aside for now. Here is our power cord. Here is our power brick for the monitor. Oh, this is the stand for our monitor. Let's put that over here. What's this? This is a plating. This is plating. What will I use the plating for? This is a plating for our monitor. It looks like a bat boomerang. Let's put this aside for now. Hey! Hey! This is the stand. This is the one that connects to the stand, I believe. Yep. Here is our full monitor. There we go. This is the back of our monitor. And how do I take it out? Okay, I'm going to unwrap stand first. Let's take a look at our stand. This is our stand. Look at that. Feels secure. Feels solid. Oh, there we go. I think I figured it out. Yes, you can spin it around. Boom, there we go. There we go. Now I can stand. Oh, I can lift the monitor up. Bye. Okay, okay. Careful. Careful, careful. Boom. 27-inch 170 refresh rate Gundam monitor. Here's the monitor, guys. Really big monitor. Let's see our screen. Hey, hey. Hey, hey. We have, apparently, the monitor slides up and down. I didn't know that. And we have a plastic cover for our ROG logo. Let's take that out. Boom! 27-inch, 170 refresh rate gaming monitor Gundam edition. We have the RX-782 number right here, the Gundam name right here, and the ROG logo right here. Now let's take a look at the back. I'm gonna carefully lift the base up. That way you guys can see the back of the monitor. The ROG logo that lights up at the back. We have another EFSF logo right here, and it has some plastic. We're here to take that off. Damn, it looks nice. Full white and distinguishable colors of blue, red, and yellow. Right here, this is the power button. Yeah, that's the power button. We have other bunch of buttons right here. There's a description for our buttons. At the right side, menu, exit, channel 1, channel 2, and power button. Looks really cool. So that's it for our monitor. Again, let's take a look. Let's take a quick look at the front. It takes my whole desk. Let's imagine that I have built the PC and set up over here. In that way, I will know if I would have to buy a new desk. That looks really close. Can I game on it though? Can I game on it though? Close enough, close enough. I can survive a few more months with this desk. So, what do you guys think? I think it looks really nice. I think it looks really cool. I think it's a steal. It's so beautiful. So that's about it for this episode. This is the RX-782 Gundam ROG gaming monitor from the ROG and Gundam collaboration. So thanks for watching this video, guys. I hope you like this episode of Technoventures and the part 9 of the unboxing series of the ROG STRIX collaboration. So stay tuned for one more unboxing episode. That's going to be the case. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you like this video. If you guys like more videos like this, you can like and subscribe on my Facebook page and YouTube channel. I will link them down below. And if you guys have any comments, questions, or tips, you can comment down below and I will try to leave you guys a reply. So see you guys in my next video. One more videos, guys, and we will be done with the unboxing part of this series. After the unboxing part is going to be the building part of the PC. So stay tuned for that episode. Once again, thank you and see you guys in my next video.